So ma'am, in terms of retail participation, if I ask you, we've seen a lot of investments happening in balanced funds and tax saver funds.
Right.
Do you think is it true, and what is the reason behind it?
Yeah, actually balanced funds are a really very good product for, not conservative, not aggressive, and moderate investor. Again, many a times when an investor comes to us, he doesn't know actually for how much period he has to invest.
And what is he doing?
Yeah, and then sometimes he says, okay, I want to invest for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, then we get confused.
Correct.
So it is, then we think, okay, giving a balanced fund will be a better option, because in balanced fund, 30% roughly he will be always in debt. So his only 70% is in equity. So if something goes wrong, the funds will be less volatile compared to a
Correct.
equity fund.
That's
So-
going to be risk mitigation.
Yeah, it's a risk mitigation, because see, whenever you are investing, first thing is you have to understand risk.
Correct.
So for first time investors, it can be a really good option to invest in a balanced fund instead of directly going to a equity fund
or a debt fund directly.
yeah.
So it's more easier because the
Yeah,
name
and
itself is
for
balanced.
senior citizens specifically, to beat inflation with risk mitigation, this can be an
This is one
excellent
of the
product.
Excellent product that
Yeah, because a lot of investors are now investing in balanced fund and taking some withdrawals like pensions in their retirement life. So they are happy with it, and again they are able to get good returns plus
Which gives
good
them a lot of
withdrawal.
financial solutions,
Yeah,
I'm sure
yeah,
about
yeah.
that.
And then they are tax efficient also if you start withdrawing after 1 year.
Correct.
So I think balanced funds have a great way to go ahead.
And when we talk about tax saver, is it picking up now?
Yeah, tax saver is picking up because PPF has started giving a very low
Lesser
interest.
Yes. So is that
So
one
now
of the
everybody is
things that we
trying
have-
to at least call up and ask,
What is the next?
there
best
is
step
there
for
any other
tax
avenue
saver?
left instead PPF and NSE?
So I guess we should be thanking PVF to lowering their interest rate so that we see the new chunk moving
Yes,
to the
yes.
taxable
That is
funds.
going to happen. I mean, see, because if you compare returns of PPF for last 15 years with ELSS is way ahead
Very true.
compared to PPF.
And in fact, I guess we have a lot of other options in that. You have a lot of dividend coming in, and it's a 3-year lock-in period. Somehow, I
It
guess
is the
when you
least
put them-
locking period
and in fact, I guess
available.
it even develops a discipline of doing in investments that I'm okay now. I know that 3 years my money is there. I'm not going to spend that, and I'm going to invest somewhere. And even in my mental block, I'm very happy that my money is safe. There
Yes.
somewhere, which is
And again, since it is having lock-in period, the fund managers can take some aggressive calls.
Very true.
So the investor gets better returns for that. So ELSS, I think people should think about it and invest as a tax saving tool
very true.
instead of other options which are available.
So ma'am, as an IFA, you know both the sides. You know how the fund managers and how does the mutual fund industry literally work, and you know the investor is inquisitive.
Right.
So you basically a catalyst in the industry. I would like to term it that way. So how easier is it for you to meet both the ends?
See, actually what investors, we have to be very true to the investors first. We should give a clear picture to them.
Correct.
And secondly, we should leave returns to the fund manager to create.
Correct.
So both the things, we only need to balance both the things, that's all. We have to give appropriate fund to the investor so that he will not make a mistake. I should not tell him a equity fund for 2 years investment or something.
Correct.
I should not make a gross mistake, or at least I should listen to him, understand his requirement and give him a proper fund. And regarding mutual funds, the fund houses are really very helpful to at least IFAs. They keep us upgrading on the current issues, and they are giving us lot of tools, maybe online tools, offline tools.
Digitally sound.
Digitally sound. Yeah. So investing is from the investor. Getting investors in and making them invest is getting bit easier for us now
Sure.
with help of the fund houses.
So ma'am, at this juncture, what are the kind of do's and don'ts would you suggest, in terms of financial goals? It's always told to have smart goals in life, realistic goals. So do you have any do's and don'ts for, setting up a financial goal, be it a short term or a long term?
See, setting up financial goals is really difficult job. So I would always suggest that don't do it yourself. Go to some professional financial expert and talk to him, sit with him, discuss your issues, and the biggest part is share proper data with him.
Very true.
So that he will at least take you to a proper destination where you really want to reach. Because I personally believe that human tendency is only to think for next 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. But that financial expert will make you think 15, 20 years
Beyond.
ahead.
Correct.
So whenever I meet a guy of 25 years, he will never think about retirement. He will
I
think
was
about
just to come on that question
how to
for
buy an
retirement.
iPhone.
Exactly. I was just about to come that maybe our priorities have changed and maybe we take the retirement thing too loosely, you know. So I wanted to ask that which juncture do you think that we, you know, and I can vouch for my generation and the country along, like the youth literally right now is, are you sure? Do you see that change? You know, we've been in the industry for so long. Do you think the youth is really seriously taking their retirement plans and solutions?
If they are coming to us, I'm making them. I'm making it sure that they go
Back with that
with a
refreshed mind.
retirement approach with them, because that is very important. I mean, since our economy has like opened up since last 20-25 years, you know, there is a drastic change in lifestyle. I mean, the expenses on lifestyle have become so huge. So in the chunk which is left for investment or saving has been reduced.
Okay.
So it is our job to talk to the client and make them invest. At least counsel them in such a way that, okay, today if you are going to need this amount, how much you are going to need in retirement if you have to have the same lifestyle.
Existing lifestyle.
So we
and
try
which
to
is
show them a
actually-
mirror,
Right.
and it helps.
You being like a mom, you know, if you don't study, this is where you land
Yes,
up.
yes, yes,
So it's like if you don't invest, this is what you want and this is what you will get. You need to
Exactly,
match both of them.
exactly.
Ma'am, it's a pleasure to have you here. I'm sure the investors have benefited a lot with this. Thank you so much for being with us. Pleasure.
The mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.